Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Delhi last night after concluding his 6-day visit to the US and Egypt. During the visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi signed several landmark agreements with the two countries. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today addressed a security conclave and reviewed the political scenario in Jammu and Kashmir today. The conclave was held at the General Zorawar Singh Auditorium in Jammu University. The 3-day meeting of the Infrastructure Working Group under the G20 Summit in Uttarakhand got underway at Narendra Nagar, Rishikesh today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh called on Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi last evening and briefed him about the evolving situation on the ground in Manipur. The flood situation in Assam has shown signs of improvement as the number of affected people came down to about 2.70 lakhs.